SMD Hollow Rotary Gearbox is also used in laser cutting machines due to availability of space for concise electrical wiring and conduits. This hollow rotary reducer is made with cross-roller type bearing which provides high accuracy, rigidity and heavy axial loads. These gearbox can also pass various shafts if required in an application. SMD Hollow Rotary Gearbox has a backlash of maximum 0.5 arc minutes which provides high positional accuracy. This gearbox comes with lifetime lubrication of synthetic greasing, hence there is no need to lubricate the gearbox over a period of time. SMD Hollow Rotary Gearbox is mostly used in a combination with planetary or right-angle gearbox to increase the reduction ratio or when there is space issue in the application.